Hey there, Professor Great here from the great world of technology. Today, the tech tip is about setting multiple OS on one flash disk. Very possible. All right, so there are a couple of ways. We could either partition the stick, the flash drive, into various partitions and then set the various OS on them, or using the software Ventoy. Ventoy. I'll put a description under the video. All right, so we'll be using the Ventoy software to set up multiple OS on just one stick, so that it wouldn't be you have Windows 10 here, you have Windows 11 here, like my case. All right, so quickly let's jump into it and see how it works. All right, so we're going to use this stick, okay, and then we jump straight into. All right, okay, so you go to Google, search for Ventoy, download. So just press the enter key and then click on the Ventoy. It directs you straight to the Ventoy website. So let's go for downloads. When you go for downloads, all right, so you should be able to see in our case, you're going to be using the Windows, right? So you go for the windows.zip. So you click on it. Then it welcomes you straight to this version. This is the latest version, Ventoy 1.0.93. All right, so let's scroll down and we want Ventoy windows.zip. All right, so you click to download. All right, so now download is done. This is the download folder. Let's go for the Ventoy, and what we want is the Ventoy to disk, right? So you right click, you go for run as admin. I don't need this, let me close it. All right, so it welcomes me with a very simple platform. All right, so this is the Ventoy devices. So I want to set on my flash drive, right? My flash disk. So it's 32 gig generic flash disk. So that's why I'll have to select. You have to be very careful what you select. I have my hard drive here as well, the Realtek hard drive. It's a whole 1 TB. I wouldn't want to go in there because immediately you go and install, you're going to format the drive as well. All right, so generic is what we want, and then you go for install. So first of all, you need to make sure the drive is empty or whatever on it. You don't really want it because it's actually going to format it and then install the Ventoy on it. All right, so let's do the Ventoy. So you go for install. It's going to welcome you with a very wonderful warning that every data will be lost. So if you really want to proceed, you just type in yes and then go to OK. It says device will be formatted and all data will be lost. Would you want to continue? Of course you want to continue, so go for yes. All right, so then blah blah blah, you want to say, so go for yes, and then it starts the installation process. So it does the formatting, then installs the Ventoy on the flash disk. This is how it really goes. All right, so let's wait for it, a couple of seconds, I think at most 1 minute. So let's see how it works. All right, so congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to your device. All right, now my device is ready to receive the OS. This is how you go about it. We're going to open the device. Now it's named as Ventoy. Then I'm going to go for where my OS are. So here is where my OS are. I would select the Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows 7, and then Google Chrome OS. All right, so this is what I want to select. Okay, so I'm going to go for the Ventoy. This is my flash drive now. And then all you have to do is to drag them in there and it starts copying. When it's done copying, then we're going to restart the computer and do the installation from there. It's quite wonderful. You're going to get multiple operating system on one flash drive, which is very interesting. All right, so let's see how it goes. All right, so now we're rebooting the computer. I'll use this escape key to get to my boot screen. And I'll select my USB, so USB. All right, so now the name then becomes vendor. All right, so vendor is what we want. So let's go. So VT loading, that is my new flash drive. And you see what we have here? We have the Google Chrome OS, we have Windows 11, we have Windows 7, and then we have Windows 10. In my case, let's do Windows 10. So I'll just select the Windows 10. And of course I want to run in normal mode, so I'll just go for normal mode. And then it should be able to boot as simple as that. So I believe you guys can pick it from here. Alright, so this is how we set multiple OS on one flash drive. Instead of keeping Windows 10, Windows 11, we could actually keep all of them on just one flash using this Ventoy software. Alright, so Professor Great here. If you like the video, kindly like, share, comment, subscribe to, and we'll keep bringing you more wonderful IT updates. All right, thank you so much, and see you next time.